Hello everyone, this is Rishi Ariwala. Today I would like to explain you about my business idea. So let's get started. This is my business idea. It's called Torque Cab Service. It is a transportation network company which helps you to book a cab with a tap of button. There are many people in United States who cannot afford car because of many reasons such as higher maintenance cost, price of vehicle, insurance. So I want to help them with this cab service. There are many cab service already available in market, but there are many loopholes in their systems and that I want to take benefit of. Torcab is a completely modified and upgraded concept. It is accessible on various platforms such as iOS, Windows and Android. People can choose from various categories like sedan, SUV and premium class. Let me show you pains faced by customers such as it's hard to find a taxi in peak time. Customers have to pay high sometimes. They have to deal with a high waiting time. For pain faced above by customers, I have provided solution in just 3 steps. Step 1. Open a TorqueCab application on your device. Step 2. Mark your pickup and drop location and confirm your ride. And step 3. Do the payment. Now let me explain you how the system will functions. As we can see, customer can book cab in 3 different ways. Two of them are already running in market. Despite of these general methods, our team has introduced a new method to book a cab by calling on our toll-free number. There are multiple categories of cab to choose from. We have used 4 PS techniques for marketing strategy. First one is price. We have kept our price lower than competitors and we gave high pay to drivers, which is beneficial for both. Second one is a product. We provide a service for 24 hours. Third one is a place. At the initial level, we are launching our cab service in 4 main cities and they are New York, Los Angeles, Washington and Boston. And last one is a promotion. We will promote our cab service through radio, television, newspaper and internet. Here I would like to present my business model canvas. Let me show you how we are different from others. Company will give 50% off after 5 rides of customers. With duration of this discount will be valid for 1 month, which is 3 times more than competitors. In addition, company will also offer insurance for driver as well as customers. With this, our company will charge same rates despite of peak time. Let me show you my marketing strategy. Company will give you 4-digit code to each driver and driver will pass this code to customers. Whenever customer will use this code, driver will get 5% discount out of 15 and in that way company will save advertising money. As we can see, company have two main competitor, Lyft and Uber. Here Lyft charges 20% while Uber charges 28%. But here we will charge only 15%. After running cab service successfully for 2 years, we will launch truck service and this will add value proposition to my company. Let me show you about my future plans. Company will also start truck service by using same application after running it successfully for 2 years. Now, here we can see my financial overview. Company will require initially investment of approx $40,000. In table we can see our approx estimate. As you can see from the graph, the company will recover its investment in just 1 year, and then after it will start earning profit. If in case our business idea doesn't work, we have a plan B, and that is we can convert our business idea from cab service to GPS navigation system, and that still help us to fetch money.